Hi guys, today I would like to talk to you about technical aspects of Looker Studio and how to navigate in a panel and what could we do with our pages and the report itself. If we go into new report, firstly, standardly, we have to connect our data into the report. Let's choose Google Merge Shop as a demo account of Google, and then Looker Studio will automatically create a table chart. But let's start from the beginning. If you can see on the top of your screen, you have option of adding a page. If you click in here, you will see that second page is created. Those pages are untitled and we need to change the name of it. So if we click in here, we can rename our page and then provide a name, for example, GA4 data. And then for the second page, we can rename it as Google Ads data. We can also duplicate our pages, just clicking on the three dots and then click duplicate. We can also delete our pages and we can hide in a view mode. So once you click in view, meaning this page will not be shown in our view mode. Also, if it comes to the pages, we can move them on the top or move up, or you can just drag it by selecting it and just move around. As you can see in here, we also have a plus where we can add either a page or section, and we can actually rename our section, or we can delete it, hide it. We can also select the icon like settings or home or whatever, and then apply into it. And we can also drag our pages into the section. So meaning our pages will be grouped by a particular section. Also, we can add in a section a new page, obviously. And as well, we can add a new page. And then in a new page, we can select a divider. And this divider will be just as a divider between either pages or sections and pages, or we can create a header, and then the header will provide us some explanations about next pages or next information. If it comes to another page settings, we can click with our right mouse and then choose current page settings. And in here in style, we can adjust our width and our height of the page. So width is usually 1200 and height is 900, but sometimes we need to have a bigger page, so we can set our height as 2000, and then as you can see, I can scroll, I can set this as 5000, and then also I can scroll even more. In a bigger view, it looks this way. We can change the background of our page by selecting the color and then making it green, and as an example, providing a background color for our table such as black, let's say this way, and we will have this type of view of our page and our report. But let's reverse it for now, and actually how you can reverse it is by clicking here undo. Then on the top of your screen, you have add data. It's basically the field where you can actually add other type of data to your report. And you can also see my data sources, which have been created in Looker Studio previously. Add chart. Here you add all of your charts, which you would like to use. And community visualizations and components. It's a beta version of charts, which you can use, created by third-party developers. Then we have add control, and in add control we have multiple versions of adding some control into our report. I will discuss it more closely with you in the next lesson. So let's move to the next option. Then we have URL embed. Actually, it allows you to embed a web page or external contact directly into your report by using a URL. This feature enables you to display dynamic content like a live website or specific page within your Looker Studio dashboard. So if we click in it, we can paste it in here, and then we can change our style into, let's add the borders, we can actually see it. And then let's copy paste only my Looker Studio thing. And this way we can see my report from Looker Studio, and it would be interactive if I click in it in a view mode. Then we can also add images either from uploading from computer or by URL. We can add text, and in text we can provide a font size and the placement. We can also choose the border and add shadow. Then we also have a line where we can make it through our report. We can also change the color, the boldness, and so on. And we can add shapes such as rectangle or circle into our report. In the File tab, you will have option to share your report, themes and layout, report settings, version history, where you can actually see your previous changes and maybe reverse into them. You can publish your settings, you can create a new report, you can make a copy of the whole entire report into a new Looker Studio URL. You can download your report as PDF, and you can also embed report. In edit section, most useful options are either undo or redo. You can also copy paste something, or you could select all the elements on your report. In the view section, you are actually zooming in, or you can choose the grid size, padding size, and so on in your page. In insertion tab, you can insert charts, or you can insert the control or images URLs and so on, basically everything what you have in here. In the page settings, we can create new page, duplicate, delete it. We can select the page settings, same as we did with you with the right mouse, current page settings. You can go to next page, previous page, first page, last page. You can also arrange elements on your report on your page via Arrange tab by selecting some of those elements, but for me it's way much easier just to drag them around. If it comes to resources, you can manage blends or manage filters, dimensions, and so on. And you can also click into help sections where you can find some help either in a Looker support or community forum or legal help pages. The last but not least is actual the name of the report. It's important to always give a name to your report, so we can name ours as a report Looker course. And then in here you have a share button where you can create a URL link and add and give access to people who you would like to share your report with. You have a preview mode, and you have more options such as refresh data or make a copy. So that's it, guys, for this lesson. Hopefully this introduction and overview of technical aspects of Looker is clear to you, and I'll see you in the next lessons. Bye!